I did a 1-minute plank every morning. Here's how it changed my body. Have you ever tried planking? Whether you enjoy it or not, including a 1-minute plank into your morning routine can greatly improve your fitness level. Planks are a timeless form of bodyweight exercise, and the advantages of doing them are numerous. So, what changes occur in your body when you commit to planking for 1 minute each morning? In this discussion, we'll delve into the effects of daily planking on your body. The significance of core strength. Many articles highlight methods for developing core strength, yet they often overlook core muscles and why they matter. Core muscles are a group of muscles in the midsection that play a crucial role in nearly all physical movements. Although these muscles aren't located in the limbs, they help transfer force between limbs and improve the performance of the arms and legs when exercising. Building a robust core is essential for improving your strength and exercise effectiveness. Furthermore, your body muscles aid abdominal muscles in supporting your backbone, thereby helping to prevent injuries. Developing these muscles takes consistent effort, which further highlights the value of including planks in your routine. In summary, the benefits of planking include influential overall muscle improvement, making it an exceptionally effective exercise. I am sharing my personal experience with planks. After committing to 1 minute of planking every morning, I noticed remarkable changes in my body. Few exercises rival the effectiveness of planks in building core strength, and the benefits grow beyond just the core. Many people enjoy doing planks daily because they also engage the biceps, neck, and shoulder muscles, promoting their development, which is especially useful for those who perform push-ups. By maintaining a plank position, you're actively toning and strengthening your arm muscles, making it a viable alternative to traditional bicep exercises. Additionally, planking targets the buttocks and thigh muscles, which are often neglected in other workouts. Here are some key benefits of planking improved core definition. Planks effectively engage all major core groups, including the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, external obliques, and glutes. Strengthening these muscle groups brings several advantages. Transverse abdominis increases your ability to lift heavier weights. Rectus abdominis improves sports performance, especially in jumping, and contributes to a defined six-pack look. Obliques improves stability in side movements and twisting. Glutes provides back support and helps develop a strong backside. Number 2, it reduced risk of back injury. Planking for 1 minute daily helps develop muscle strength without excessive pressure on your spine or hips. It contributes to stronger back muscles, enhancing overall support and strength, particularly in the upper back. Number 3, metabolism. Boost. Planks challenge your entire body and burn more calories compared to traditional abdominal exercises like crunches. Strengthening core muscles through daily planks can increase your energy cost, even at rest, which is beneficial if you spend a lot of time sitting. Integrating planks into your routine can help maintain a high metabolic rate throughout the day. Number 4, improved posture. Regular planking can greatly improve your posture. Good posture has several benefits, including proper alignment of bones and joints, reducing the risk of back pain, and improving the overall function of your muscles. Additionally, someone with good posture appears healthier and seeps confidence. Number 5, enhanced balance. Have you ever tried to stand on one leg and found it hard to maintain your posture for more than a few moments? This isn't simply a matter of being uncoordinated. Often, it's due to insufficient strength in your abdominal muscles, which are crucial for balance. While many believe that balance is predominantly leg-based, the reality is that your core plays a significant role in keeping your body stable and upright. By practicing side planks and planks with extensions, you can enhance your balance and elevate your performance across various fitness activities. Number 6, greater flexibility. One of the significant advantages of incorporating planks into your routine is increased flexibility. This exercise effectively works to elongate and stretch all the posterior muscle groups, including the shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone. It also helps stretch the hamstrings, arches of the feet, and toes. By adding side planks to your regimen, you can engage your oblique muscles more effectively. This focus on flexibility is important for improving the movement known as toe hyperextension, which is vital for sustaining your body weight. Number 7, enhanced mood. Engaging in plank exercises can notably influence your nerve function, making them highly effective for boosting overall mood. This improvement arises from the way planks stretch muscles that are often tight due to stress and tension buildup. Considering a typical day where you might sit for long periods, your thigh muscles can become constricted and tension may accumulate in your shoulders from poor posture. These factors can create stress on both muscles and nerves. The encouraging aspect is that implementing planks into your daily routine can not only ease mental stress, but also alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. How to incorporate planking into your daily routine. You might be curious about how many planks you should do daily to experience benefits and how long you should hold each position. If you can only manage one plank a day, start with that. Aim for at least 60 seconds, but if you need to begin with a shorter duration, that's okay. Progress at your own pace. A recommended approach is to work towards completing 3 sets lasting up to 60 seconds each. The key takeaway is that consistency is crucial in building a solid planking routine. How to properly position for a plank. To reap the benefits of plank exercises, it's essential to perform them correctly. Mastering the proper technique will take time, and it's natural for it to be challenging initially as your muscles grow stronger. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you assume the right plank position. Start in a push-up stance on the floor. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle and lower your weight onto your forearms for a forearm plank position. Ensure your torso is straight and maintain a rigid line from your head to your toes without sagging or bending. Keep your head relaxed, looking down at the ground. Hold the plank as long as possible while maintaining form. Breathe steadily and deeply. If your form begins to falter, it's best to stop, as benefits are derived from maintaining proper technique. Overall, making planking a daily habit can result in various physical improvements beyond just core strength, contributing to a healthier and more active lifestyle. How long do you think you could maintain a plank position? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. If you found this information useful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more intriguing insights about the human body. Don't forget to check out the 2 additional videos that can significantly aid you in reaching your fitness goals.